bird! It's a plane! No! It's Wonder Woman!
You're Superman. My life is in Sean Tucker's hands right now. We're gonna rock out, right?
No joke, baby. Let's go. Tania ride in our executive VIP graceful sky dancing Wonder Woman airplane. She's gonna feel like Wonder Woman, just blasting up through the sky. So she's gonna get a taste of what I get to do for my real job. And my goal is not to make her dizzy. I want to make her happy.
How many hours have you logged on?
Oh, 24,000.
24,000?
Yeah.
I'm in good hands.
Republic Airport, Farmingdale, New York, getting ready for the Bethpage Air Show this Memorial Day weekend. How could you not love Long Island? How could you not love flying over the Atlantic Ocean in front of 250,000 people?
Hands up. No hands up, Wonder Woman. There's show business, baby.
I'm a rock and roll, down and dirty, hard charging, aerobatic guy.
We're gonna do that one more time. Here we go.
All right, let's do it.
There we go.
When I get a hold of those controls, the wings become my arms. It becomes part of me, and then it's up for me to do the dance. It's just been a huge privilege for me to have this opportunity for all these years to fly in front of all these people. It's just an incredible job.
Love you, Newsday.